Working on my 2002 Gem car, and I heard a weird noise, and I took a look at the rear end and I found this crack. So the rear axle right hand support has separated from the rear axle, as well as the left hand support, and it's a very small crack, but you can see it goes clean through. The only thing holding this rear axle on is this bushing right here to these two weld points. So that's something to keep an eye on with the Gem car. Also, what I did was I went to NEV Accessories and I purchased this item. It's a piece of iron, and what you do is you have a welder scuff up everything, push this on, and what it'll do is it'll bridge this weld, your shock absorber weld, and the arm weld to the axle, and beef that puppy up a little bit. But I'm gonna have my welder do that tomorrow, and should have this item repaired in about 24 hours. But it is definitely something to keep an eye on, because you do not want your rear axle to fall off when you're doing 39 miles an hour down the road.